Hey, tech enthusiasts, welcome back. Today, we've got some spicy news about the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Will there be a Galaxy S25 Plus or not? Let's dive into the conflicting reports and what it could mean for Samsung's upcoming lineup. For the past few years, Samsung has consistently released three models in their S series: the standard model, the Plus model, and the Ultra model. However, recent rumors suggest that this might change with the Galaxy S25 series. Some reports claim Samsung might ditch the Galaxy S25 Plus entirely. But hold on, not everyone agrees. Despite its absence from the IMEI database, it doesn't necessarily mean the Galaxy S25 Plus is gone for good. Until we have concrete evidence, take both these reports with a pinch of salt. Let's start with why some believe the Galaxy S25 Plus will still launch. Samsung has a solid track record of releasing three models catering to different price points and user preferences. The Plus model typically balances features and cost, making it a favorite for many. Additionally, the absence of a device from the IMEI database isn't definitive proof of its cancellation. It's possible that Samsung is keeping things under wraps or planning a later reveal. On the other hand, there are compelling reasons to believe Samsung might only release the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Ultra next year. Market trends. Consumer preferences are shifting towards either high-end flagship models or more affordable options, potentially squeezing out the middle-tier Plus model. Cost efficiency. By focusing on fewer models, Samsung can streamline production and reduce costs, which could be passed on as savings to consumers or reinvested into better technology for the remaining models. Innovation focus. Samsung might want to concentrate on delivering more advanced features and better performance in just two models rather than spreading resources across three. Regardless of whether the Galaxy S25 Plus launches or not, here's what we can expect from the Galaxy S25 series. Galaxy S25. The standard model will likely feature significant upgrades in performance, camera capabilities, and battery life. Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Ultra model is expected to push the boundaries with cutting-edge technology, possibly including advanced camera systems, superior display technology, and enhanced AI features. So, what do you think? Will Samsung surprise us with the Galaxy S25 Plus, or are we looking at a more streamlined lineup next year? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.